In this exercise, we will learn the posterize, threshold, and invert options. And these options are very easy to use. Okay, let's see how these options will work. Let's click on Adjustment Layer. Also, we can see here Color Lookup option. This option is used for 3D purposes. Okay, let's choose Invert option. And we can see this image effect. This option is not usually used in Photoshop, but it can be used to analyze colors in the images. Let's delete this layer. Next, select Posterize option, and we can see a poster effect type image. We can adjust the level here, something like that. This option can be used for image graphics used on posters, banners, and t-shirts. All right. Let's delete this layer and select Threshold option. Now we can see this black and white type effect. And this as well is the best option to use for images on t-shirts, flyers, and poster designs. We can adjust the threshold here, something like this. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the gradient map and selective color option.